Don't wait until spring to deep clean your home. My next guest says February is actually the ideal time to tackle some of those tasks you may have been putting off. Michelle Burnett with Home Clean Heroes is here to share 6 places you should deep clean today. It's great to meet you. Great to have you.
Nice to meet you, Brooke.
So we're not talking about a closet or scouring a bathroom. These are kind of the little in-betweens that you say often get neglected.
That's right.
Yeah.
And you just don't think about it, but when you do them, it makes a whale of a difference. So.
And why February as opposed to waiting for the momentum of spring and sunshine?
You know, Brooke, I'm going to ask you, why not February? You know, get the fun things over with and the smell good things going, and then you can hit the vacuuming, dusting, and all that.
Like a true politician, answering a question with a question.
There we go.
I like you, Michelle. I like you. All right, let's start with the microwave. You've got a good, like a hack, a tip for us.
Yep. So everyone uses the microwave various times in one day.
Yeah.
And how about your teenagers who are using it in the middle of the night, heating up leftovers? And this thing inside is a disaster. I think we all clean the outside of it enough, but it's hard to get it off once it's dried in there, the crusty, you know, spaghetti sauce or taco meat.
Right.
So we're just gonna boil some water.
Okay.
We're cutting a lemon.
So hot water.
Hot, yeah, or cold, because we're gonna heat it up.
Oh, I see.
So we squeeze both lemons, halves, and stick them in.
Okay.
We plop it into the microwave about 3 minutes.
Okay.
And maybe leave it in another 3 or 4 minutes for it to steam up. Take it out, get a little Microsoft cloth, and that stuff comes right out.
So even the crusties,
The crusties, yep. And if you want to do it a little bit longer, if you have a really horrible look inside. So.
Okay.
But yeah, it just softens everything up, and you can wipe it right down.
You can wipe it out and get it clean, so don't neglect the inside.
And you can do it without the lemon, but the lemon is the smell good.
I was going to say, I bet that fresh citrus adds to the overall aesthetic and appeal of what is now a clean microwave. Okay, smelly garbage cans.
Yeah, wow. When you open up your trash bin and all you smell is last night's tacos or something.
Which I try to give the trash can grace, because it does a lot of good work for us.
You know, it's not its fault. But basically, we can get rid of those smells.
Okay.
With taking any piece of bread, any white wheat. This is a slice of bread.
Bread, okay.
Bread. We will saturate this bread with some vinegar.
Oh.
As if you're making French toast.
With vinegar.
Then, that'll taste good. Then we shall carefully put it on a paper towel.
Okay.
Dump it in your trash can.
What? Why the bread? It's just absorbent?
It's very much absorbent, and the vinegar just sucks in all the smell. So just do overnight. Yeah.
Overnight.
Leave it in overnight, take it back out, and...
I mean, I can smell it.
I did it last night, and this morning it was fantastic.
I can smell the vinegar. That's definitely going to overpower whatever's in there, but it takes away the odors too.
It works.
Okay, what's our next deep clean must-do?
Okay, so do you have a pet?
I do not.
Dogs, no?
No.
Most of us have, or a lot of people have pets. Mine's a little one, so that's a little bed. But think about you take them out to groom them and get them bathed. If you want to bring them back to their stinky bed, that's a waste of money and time, right? So it's baking soda.
Okay.
We're just going to put quite a bit more than I'm doing here.
Just
but
all
sprinkle,
over the
sprinkle,
surface.
sprinkle.
Okay.
Leave it for 20, 30 minutes. Of course, keep your dog away for the time being.
Yeah.
And then come back with a little mini vac or one of your little hand vacs.
Okay.
And it is going to smell good. Do it as often as you need it.
Yeah.
No one likes a stinky
No,
bed.
in fact, I think I've seen people do that with their mattress as well, their human bed.
Yes,
with the baking soda and let it sit and vacuum it up. So it just takes up the odors, gives you a fresh surface. Okay, let's move to the ceiling fans. Can you talk to us about ceiling fans?
Yes, there are lots of techniques, but this is the one that we love at our company, Home Clean Heroes. These are bendable. They're expandable. I'm sure you've all seen them. You can get them on Amazon, Walmart, wherever. But this is really the best little thing to get up to your fan. I mean, this is going to be long enough, but you are going to wipe every single one of the blades.
Very handy.
And you're going to also want to put an old towel out if it's like a bedroom ceiling fan and your bed spreads underneath.
A pillowcase is another good hack?
You can do that.
Okay.
It takes someone who's brave to stand up on 3 or 4 steps and slide along, but this little tool does so much.
Nice.
With your walls, your crevices.
Yeah, it's like an arm with a hand, just sliding right over that wood surface. All right, garbage disposal, another area that can trap the odor.
That one is easy, and I also did this one this morning because I could smell a little bit in the disposal.
Sure.
A bunch of ice, like 1 or 2 pounds.
Okay.
Dump it in your sink.
Okay.
And turn on some cool water at about half speed. Get that disposal going and carefully put the ice down in there. And then you can pour in a little vinegar every 30 seconds.
Okay.
And until all the ice is down. And what it does is it sharpens the blades of your garbage disposal.
Oh.
But most importantly, it's all the flicking of the ice cubes is taking all the goo off, all the stinky mildew, and just taking it right down the sink.
So the ice acts as that adjutant, but also can sharpen as we go. Smart,
Yeah,
super
it's
smart.
Easy and
okay,
very.
house plants. A lot of people are, you know, we like to say the house plant lady is the new cat lady. So how are we keeping our house plants nice and tidy?
Yes, you can just peel a banana.
Oh.
Use the inside of the peelings.
Oh.
And go get your leaf. And just slide it right along.
Oh.
It makes it so green and so pretty, as well as a shine that you've never seen.
A banana peel.
Yeah. If you just spray water, I think you're encouraging mold, perhaps, to form on your plant. So stick with something natural.
Okay.
All
right. Michelle, thank you so much. Some unique, interesting ways to tackle these sometimes forgotten areas of our home. If we need extra help, you offer that too. Where can we find more details about Home Clean Heroes?
Yes, we are a new franchise here in Salt Lake Valley, and you can call 800-477-4530, or you can go to homecleanheroes.com/Salt Lake Valley.
Michelle, thank you.
Thank you for having me.